Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix and reset the camera settings in your Redmi smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So if you are having any problem in your camera, sometimes camera may be not responsible and it may be crashing. So if there is any issue occurring with some of the user, you have to just simply long press the camera from here, click on app information, this I button, then click on storage, and you have to clear the cache and clear the data. By clearing the data, this will not uh, delete any of the data from your device, so you will not lose any of your data. Click on app permission and give the permission camera, microphone, music and audio and all of these. Then second step, you can just go to the camera and you have to reset your camera first. So click on this tick option. Now you have to click on this settings and simply scroll down. So here it is, restore default settings. Tap on here, click on OK. So you can see your default settings is now set. If you have done anything, it will be resetted, and this will solve your problem. And just restart your device also. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.